Ngizwe Mchunu and Phakelo Mthakathi were doing some rituals before doing the protest in Johannesburg. And I think this is a good thing. They will need all the luck, they will need all the backing from the ancestors. But I would like to know from most people, what do these rituals actually mean to you? Do they actually work for you? Like, do you go to the ancestors in the gravesite to actually do this, or can you go to any sangoma and actually do it? So it's up to you. But these guys, they definitely need all the backing. They need maybe 100 sangomas to actually pull this off, but they actually went to just one, so they can actually get rid of illegal immigrants. I guess they're really passionate about this. But you know me, I'm the type of person that always thinks that in the capitalist society that we are in, no one ever does something for free out of the goodness of their hearts. So you'd ask yourself, what do Phakelo Mthakathi and Ngizwe Mchunu actually want? Okay, for now, we'll just assume that they want to get rid of illegal immigrants, because I haven't seen any clues to show what they really want. Maybe political power, maybe to be in parliament, because saying that you want to get rid of illegal immigrants is the quickest way to get power. I mean, Gayton McKenzie has done it, and Ntlantlalax has tried and failed. Operation Dudula actually tried to get into parliament, but they were finessed by Gayton McKenzie. So yeah, man. But anyways, let me just show you the video of the ritual. So yeah, man, even Jacinta Ngobese, chances are she wants something. Money, power. I don't think it's really clout. I don't think really she's actually going for the whole thing that she wants to get rid of illegal immigrants so much. What have illegal immigrants done to her personally? You get what I mean? But yeah, you have to have like a real reason. Everyone has a reason why they're doing something. In this society that we're living in, nothing for mahala, no one does anything for free. So anyways, let me just get back to the rituals that they were doing. They were leaking something. I wonder what that is, because they didn't really clarify as to what they are leaking. I actually thought they were snorting something, like, which would have been really extreme. So they even told the guy to actually, leak that stuff, that orange stuff.